Grabe na. Yun yung talagang spicy question sa lahat ng ano ngayon. Because it's very relevant, I think.
Yeah.
And it's kind of like a lot of technology before anyone understood it. Like the internet, like Google. Pero ano siya eh, the very tricky thing about it is, it's not just a repository of information. In a lot of ways, it aims to replace the one who's searching, in a way. If that makes sense. Kumbaga, kung yung Google, mag-work to find information that makes sense to you. Yung AI, at some point, ikaw na nag-search, kaya ka rin niyang i-replace. So parang yun yung nakakatakot about it. And, I don't think anyone has an exact answer to it. We can come close to it right now. So kami yung perspective namin is quite similar dun kay Sir Jim, which is, when you're writing a song, I think the most important thing that we have to develop as songwriters is our unique voice. Yun yung, as simple as that sounds, that's probably the hardest to develop. And the only way for you to develop your unique voice is to work hard for it. I think there's no other way. And how do you work hard for it? You write tons of songs. You listen to so many music. And then, how that comes out in the permutation of your brain, lalabas na kung paano ka talaga literal nilikha ng Diyos. Kung paano mo i-interpret lahat ng nandyan sa utak mo. Yung challenge kasi sa AI, I feel, is it aims to find a perfect answer to something. Whereas I feel like in songs, the beauty is actually in our imperfection. Like in the way that we mispronounce words, in the way that we phrase it weirdly. Like, there's this songwriter who we really admire these days, si Maki. Kaya niya naman malamang si Maki. Yung song niya na Kahil na Langit. Ngayon, kakalabas lang a few months ago. Meron siyang sinasabi na minsan, gusto ko magsumbong sa'yo. Sinabi ko sa kanya bago pa niya ilabas yun na, yung kakaiba talaga sa'yo, yung phrasing ng mga salita kung paano mo siya sinusulat. Wala yata ever makakaisip na iba, or bihirang-bihira yung makakaisip nung way na kung paano mo siya iniisip. Tapos sinasabi niya, ala ko yun, di ba parang ang weird dun, parang feeling ko nga kailangan kong baguhin yun. Sabi ko, yun nga yun, hindi mo dapat baguhin. Kasi, yung fact na weird siya, at feeling mo parang conventionally hindi siya maiisip ng ibang tao. Yun yung nagpapa-distinct sa'yo. Kahit na feeling mo hindi siya katanggap-tanggap. Yun yung parang, yun kasi kung i-interpret mo, ano ba yung feeling nun? Hindi siya katanggap-tanggap. Yung phrasing na minsan, gusto ko magsumbong. Parang, yun eh. And I feel like when the only way for us to develop those quirks and those weirdness is for us to work hard at it ourselves. To search for these answers by really literally going out to widening what we listen to, talking to people, broadening our perspective. And no machine can replace that. That's our perspective on AI.